There are a couple of songs where we get to see the Balochi outfits, their turbans and clothes, and even a little scene where we get a glimpse of Yalina and other girls in beautiful Balochi clothes. Now, since this is an area which is not easily accessible for us, we cannot visit. So, what was the research process like?
See, research wise on this film in general, we were hugely dependent on what we were finding on internet. And thanks to Instagram, we actually could find a lot of profiles and handles of Balochi people, which kind of gave us a lot of insight on their culture. So I was costume department. I think for me and my department, all of us, we were hugely dependent on that because with Instagram, you don't have text, you have more of visuals, and we worked backwards from there. No, in fact, if you remember, since you mentioned the song, that gun jump that they do is also something that was found on Instagram by Ojas and Aditya sir. I think one very interesting anecdote about the film's song, the Balochi song that happens is the dancers' outfits and the women that we dressed over there. Now, the dancers' outfits, I've used this one material on it, which was initially rejected by our DOP. He was like, I'm noticing a lot of sheen in this material, and this might not look very good because, and we discussed that, yeah, these are moving gypsy tribe kind of people, right? So their clothes have to reflect the dust and grime that they usually go through. And they obviously don't carry like a wardrobe of clothes, right? So that should reflect in their outfits. And these guys are performers. So these Balochi dancers, these are gypsies that move and वो एक गांव गए वहां डांस परफॉर्म किया फिर दूसरे गए वहां परफॉर्म किया तो आप उस पर्सपेक्टिव से his point was completely right. And then what I did was the whites that we had taken, we added a hint of very slight mint to it. Mint green tone है जो स्क्रीन पे white को तो वो टोन मैंने ऐड किया to kill the whatever sheen it had. The one which dancers wear and they twirl and they jump and everything. Every outfit is made out of at least uh, 24 meters. The salwar, the salwar itself was more than 14. And I think the top itself was also, I think it's more than 24 if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, around 24 to 28 meters ke ek outfit hai wo.
And to dance in that.
Yeah, but the fabric is very fluid, and that is why it works very beautifully. So they didn't feel heavy. Now with so much weight in the at the bottom part of the patani that they wear, I was like, how is it going to hold the weight? So then we added a lot of shoulder pads. We added a lot of shoulder pads so that it gives a lot of support. We added shoulder pads so that the puff is also falls nicely. It protrudes from the side of the jacket, and then the jacket also gives you a really nice structure the moment you have a shoulder pad with thick shoulder paddings underneath, thick ones, and then the jacket, which was also, by the way, machine embroidered and made all the way from the scratch. Those black jackets are made out of black material that we use on a set to cover lights and cut light.
कोई मटेरियल नहीं छोड़ा आपने
छोड़ा ही नहीं मैंने तो बाढ़ में भी उसको यूज किया था एंड इट्स ब्यूटीफुल टेक्सचर एक ही प्रॉब्लम है उसका पन्ना बहुत छोटा होता है द विड्थ ऑफ द फैब्रिक इज 36 so it kind of restricts you there but for jackets it's perfect and that was the material that was used for the jackets. We made some 48 of them and then so yeah that's how. And I ensured that even though it was a dancer's outfit, when the base of the patani that they're wearing, the patani kurta that they wear, has a thick fold and it is hemmed so that when they twirl, you get that wave. And that's why it looks the way it looks. It's one of the most beautiful process that I had in the film and was really looking forward to how it will turn out on screen. And I think I have really enjoyed watching that one thing on screen a lot, other than Ranveer himself and Major Iqbal and the whole film. and then we had the Balochi women. Now, Balochi women, we again had a lot of internet references on how their outfits are like and how Balochi kurtas are like. The actual Balochi suits, which have mirror work and everything, that was called for from Dubai. Okay. A few of those were called from Dubai, and most of them, otherwise, I again shifted from what the original one looks like. And I bought Nawari saris and used those to make the Balochi women because then I was getting the same material for the base and the salwar. And then my front panel and everything which has been made, I use sari ka aanchal for my front panels. That is, there's a particular pattern to the Balochi salwar. There's a V cut here, and then there is an ulta V that goes down. I'll share images if possible. That I use the aanchal. And the border of the sari worked as a border for me. Now, when I wanted to elevate this, I got a lot of Kauri and crochet ke laces, and I made those patterns with those laces. But my other than fabrics that I bought to make this in, Nawari sarees played a very important role because you know एक तो एक जैसे दो मिल जाते हैं तो आपको पूरा मटेरियल मिल जाता था. I could make the whole material घेर वाला सूट बहुत आसानी से बन पाता था उससे. Then I don't have to run. And the fall is gorgeous because it becomes one wash and it is almost gauze होता है वो. It's like so it just वो मर जाता. So it looks aged also. It's colorful also. The contrast of the colors and Nawari sarees are great. So everything just falls in place. And that's why, so as much as there are colors used on women over there, they're all been aged in mid-tones and looked beautiful. I wish I could get you pictures of those. Very beautiful work.
Yes,
That is.
please. Nawari
Yeah.
saris for making Balochi outfits, who could have imagined?